In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize your bookmarks on Google Chrome. Organizing bookmarks can be a game changer for your browsing experience, helping you locate your favorite sites quickly and easily. Whether you're doing this for the first time or just looking to refine your current setup, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. At the top right corner of your browser, you'll find three vertical dots. Click on them to open the More menu. From there, scroll down to locate Bookmarks, then hover over it with your cursor. A side menu will appear. Select Bookmark Manager. This is where the real work begins. You'll see a list of all your current bookmarks along with any existing folders. Take a moment to look through them and notice how they are arranged. Now, an essential part of organizing is creating folders to categorize your bookmarks effectively. To create a new folder, look to the top right of the Bookmark Manager. Find the three dots symbolizing the Options menu and click on it. Select Add New Folder. Give this new folder a name that represents the category of bookmarks it will contain, such as Work, Recipes, or News. With your folder ready, it's time to start moving your existing bookmarks into it. Simply click and drag a bookmark from your list and drop it into the folder. You may need to repeat this for each bookmark you want to categorize, but the effort is worth the increased efficiency. If you want to refine further, consider arranging the bookmarks within each folder. Click and drag them into a logical order that suits your needs best, perhaps alphabetically or by most frequently visited. Next, if you have bookmarks in folders that are no longer needed or rarely used, don't be afraid to do a little cleaning. Click on the folder, right-click each bookmark, and select Delete if you feel it's unnecessary. Keeping your bookmark library relevant and lean is crucial to maintaining organization over time. Lastly, let's quickly touch on how to add new bookmarks in a manner that maintains this organized structure. Whenever you come across a web page you want to bookmark, hit the star icon in the Chrome address bar. A small pop-up will appear, allowing you to choose which folder you'd like to save the bookmark in. If you stay consistent with this practice, your bookmarks will always remain organized. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've transformed your bookmark chaos into a streamlined, efficient system. This small investment in time will pay off with every search you do, making your online journey more enjoyable and productive. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.